The fastest way you can travel on land without a motor is to cycle. Speeds of about 40 miles an hour are not uncommon. A fair rate, with nothing beneath you but a bit of steel tubing and two slim air-filled compartments. The great cycling event in this country is the 1,500-mile Tour of Britain. 85 competitors, including teams from 7 countries as well as British regional teams, started out. After the mass start, competitors thin out, and many of them drop out or are eliminated for not finishing their stage in time. "23¼ miles per hour was the winner's average over 12 days along a route that takes in Welsh mountains and Lake District peaks. The game gives Britain one of its few world champions, Beryl Burton of Leeds, who in 12 hours has covered 277 miles, a greater distance than any other cyclist, man or woman. Just turned 30, this dedicated athlete, mother of a girl of 11, pedalled away on her own to win the World Amateur Road Championship for Women at the Holland meeting. Championships and records all come the same to Beryl Burton. She's gained so many of them. Scudding home in front of a spread-eagled field is no novelty to Beryl Burton.